That's better. Hey. Fucking rights. Bloop. Donna just brought over Thupper. Hey, we're having chicken tenders and salad.
Yeah.
I guess I can show you cocksuckers what it looks like. Looks like salad and chicken tenders. The chicken tenders came from your independent grocer. And I don't know where the salad came from.
No frills.
A no-frills salad. Of course, Donna had to add extra to it because they don't give you very much in the salad. Well, they do, but they don't, you know. She had to add the tomato and cucumbers.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have to add anything else?
Well, you could add other things. I just thought this was good just because we haven't had salad in a long time.
We haven't had salad in a long time. Probably gonna get the fucking shits tonight. What's this? Zesty Italian. So anyway, today's fucking Thursday. It's kind of a busy Thursday, according to Donna. How busy would you say it is, Donna?
It's fucking retarded out there.
It's retarded busy.
It's so busy. It's like, if you don't have to go out, don't fucking go out.
Yeah,
It's that busy.
It's that fucking busy. Before we continue, you guys might know Moonshine from the comment section down below. Well, last night, Moonshine's old lady, Sunshine, the Shine family. The Shine family. I'm just kidding. Moonshine's old lady, Sunshine, sent me and Donna a little bit over $1 billion last night. And we like money. Cigarette holder to you, Sunshine.
Thank you.
Thank you. The driveway is done. I'm guessing that was porcupine tailings, because nobody else does my driveway ever. Cigarette holder to you, porcupine tailings.
Thank you.
Okay, right now, we're in Timmins, Ontario. For those of you that didn't know. Right now we're waiting on a snowstorm. Don't know if it's going to happen, but...
They're like...
Go ahead.
I was going to say, when I was coming back, like, with the chicken and stuff...
Gotta have some Frank's hot sauce.
On the radio, they're talking about give city workers extra time. The transit, they're already telling people is going to be late tomorrow. It's supposed to be a big fucking mess. The fucking hydro people. I don't know if this... I don't think this includes Timmins, but, like, there's places that are getting, like, high winds.
Oh, my fucking fuck. That's some tasty chicken and hot sauce.
They're saying to get your emergency fucking kit ready.
Why?
Because some places with this storm, maybe more Quebec or something like that, they're supposed to get high winds. It's supposed to be windy plus with all the snow. So I guess they're expecting the hydro to go out. So maybe like, I don't know.
We're gonna lose hydro?
Not us. The people that were there. It's gonna be a lot of wind.
If you don't get a video from us tonight, it's because we lost hydro.
Oh, we'll be fine.
But you're not gonna. They're gonna be hearing this after the fact anyway. If you didn't watch this last night, it's because hydro fucked us.
No, not that. They're talking about on tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night.
Yeah, and then going into the 24th. There's some places that could lose hydro.
Okay, well, hopefully we're not one of them fucking.
They're telling fucking people too. It's not essential, like to travel, not to fucking travel.
Yeah, don't be traveling if you don't need to.
Yeah, like I could honestly say, if say Michael was and his family were coming here on Christmas.
Michael's our oldest son.
Yes. Him and his family were going to come here on Christmas, right? Or on the 24th, because we do a 24th thing too, right? I would be like, you know what? I'd just say, stay home. It's not essential that you need to come here. You know, you don't want anybody driving on the highway if it's like stormy, like they're saying it's going to be.
Michael's family's sick right now. Anyways, I don't think they're going anywhere for Christmas.
Are all of them sick?
Well, Michael stopped by today. He said he was sick. He said Haley was sick. I'm just assuming that Roxanne and Dustin are also sick. You know. You know what's really weird?
What?
I just took a bite of your salad.
Yeah.
Why the fuck is my tongue burning?
Maybe from the, let's see, maybe from like something in the dressing, it's zesty, the little fucking red thing.
I don't know, but it's really hot on my tongue, and I don't know what the fuck I bit into. It wasn't the hot sauce. It's a different kind of sting.
Yeah, green thing. That looks hot.
I don't know, Donna. Anyway, we told you cocksuckers yesterday that the tree cutters came by and they were looking at the tree with the, that's pulling the wire off the building. We forgot to mention, the cocksuckers said that they're going to come here on this weekend to do that.
Yeah. This is exactly what he said, because I had to...
So like Christmas Day, we're going to hear chainsaws? Is that what the fuck's going on?
I parked the car...
During the storm?
I parked the car in the front of that yard over there because they had our driveway blocked. And I had to come home.
Oh yeah. Me and Donna drinking Laker Ice beers. What bum beers is all about.
So
fucking
as I'm coming up the driveway, the two of them there were walking down our driveway, and the old man said to me, "Oh, did you want me to move?" And I said, like, "No, it's fine," because like I'm not gonna rush an old man, right? So I was like, "It's fine," and he said, "Could I say exactly what he said with names?" Yes.
Like, I don't give a fuck.
So he says, Mark from housing is on their ass basically to get this tree done. And I was like, oh. And he said, yeah, probably this weekend. He says that we're going to...
He only got back on their arse after I fucking called there.
But I was thinking, like, I don't think you're coming this weekend. This is Christmas weekend. I don't think... I don't think so, but maybe.
Yeah, so we may have, like...
No tree in the... We may have...
Yeah, we don't know what's going to happen yet, but that might be a thing. Okay, let's move on. Let's get to some newer stuff. Chicken. She's got a beer in front of her and she's sucking back water. What the fuck's going on here?
Because I need to get some fluid into me before the beer.
I'll put some fluid into you.
Okay, so because they're calling for this storm, I said to Ed, after we showered, I'm going to get the stuff because I'm not going anywhere tomorrow, just in case all this snow comes, right? So anyways, I go to Independent to get the chicken tenders and a couple other items that I needed, okay? So I go and get the fucking Aveeno cream, and I go and
you got some cream?
Yeah.
Good, my hands are
That's
fucked.
why I got the taller one, not the little one, the taller one. Because it was on sale. So I grabbed some cream.
It's that time of year again, skin gets all dried out.
We need, it needs body wash, so I went and grabbed body wash, right? Like, I'm thinking of things like...
Gotta wash my balls.
In case, like, let's just say there's a lot of snow. Let's just say, okay? And
Donna usually polishes up my cock and balls for me.
so then I'm like, okay, I'm gonna head over and get the fucking chicken before it gets too busy. Like, and it was fucking busy. It was hard to find parking. It was that busy there, okay? So I go over there and there's this fucking lady leaning against the fucking, where they have the chicken inside. There's like a glass thing. Probably,
yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
She's leaning there and she has like a couple bingo cards in her hand and something else, right? and she's leaning against like the thing like this, and she's looking over, and then I'm like, I look down and I'm like, fuck, like there's no chicken in there, right? But then I seen in where I was standing, because I'm short enough, I could see the fryer and it said crispy chicken, right? And it was like 2 minutes or something, like it was counting down. So I was thinking, oh, okay. So she looks over at me and she says, I'm here to get crispy chicken. Like she just, and I looked at her and I said, oh yeah, me too. Like I was just saying that. She's like, no, the batch that's coming out is mine. I said, oh. I said, okay. Like, I didn't want to fight with anybody. Like, it was just that busy, okay? So, then you know when somebody doesn't say excuse me and they're trying to fucking get in somewhere, like, behind you to grab something, okay? So, that's what this other lady was doing. So, I had to push my cart up, okay, to let the lady in behind me to grab her whole chicken that she was getting. Like, it was a little bit busy over there, and the lady looks at me and she says, I'm a teacher. And I said, oh, yeah? She says, it's been a long day. I said, oh yeah? And she said, did you place your order yet? And I looked at her and I was thinking, like, you know, I didn't place my fucking order. The guy's, like, he's over there doing chicken and wedge, like, all the different stuff. I said, no. She says, well, I'm letting you know again. I'm tired, she says, and the chicken that comes out, I'm next. I'm waiting for my chicken, she said. Okay, like, I just fucking, I'd start turning around and looking at other fucking things. I didn't want her fucking talking to me anymore. What the fuck? It's chicken.
So what happened?
She got her chicken when I came over. She was, like, right there up on top of the fucking
She bought
thing.
it all?
No.
I guess the whole batch wasn't hers.
It wasn't hers. Because there was enough left over for me to have some, and then there was none left over. You fucking cunt. She was like, oh, I want this, whatever. And she's like looking at me like I'm gonna steal her fucking chicken. Fuck, people are fucking like.
People are fucked around here.
They really are. Especially this time of fucking year, they are really. I saw the owners of the fucking Independent. Okay, just standing around.
To make my nose run.
They're just standing around, fucking. It's like you could see the dollar signs in their fucking eyes. I don't
greedy
like,
cocksuckers.
Yeah, you know, like other fucking owners, usually in grocery stores. Maybe not all owners, but you know, some good grocery stores. Like, oh, hey, how you doing? Talking to the customers. They're all just standing in like this little fucking, you know, huddle, right? Just looking at everybody, but they have this greedy little fucking smile, you know, like they're better than you. He ain't fucking better than me.
Cocksuckers.
I was mad. The lady made me mad with the chicken, and then the fucking. Oh my god, there is dumb fucking young, like, some of the teenage girls are dumb. Like, dumb.
Dumb, like a stump.
I scanned in hairspray.
Dumb like a rock.
I scanned in the hairspray, okay? And it said $7.99, and I was like, $7.99? That's not what the tag said. So I fucking deleted it off the screen, and I said to the girl, I'm going to be right back. I got to go check something. So I went, and, well, the thing was in the wrong place, so I just grabbed a different hairspray. So I come back, and she looks at me, right? Watches me, sees that I deleted off, like, took it off the screen, right? Like, so it's not on my order anymore. She sees me scanning this other hairspray and put it in the bag. And she looks at me and she says, excuse me, are you still going to buy this?
And so what'd you say?
I just looked at her and I said no. Not nicely. I just said no. Like, come on. Where would you think I'm going to buy it?
I don't even know what you're talking about.
The hairspray.
You bought hairspray?
Did you not listen to the story?
Well, yeah, but I was cleaning out my bowl, so I sort of, not really.
Remember, I said I took the hairspray off my order, and I scanned it in another hairspray, a cheaper one.
Okay.
And then she looked at me and she said, excuse me. She asked me if I was going to buy the hairspray. What would make you think I'm going to buy the hairspray? I'm fucking Salvation Army asking fucking, oh, can you give us something? No! Like, no, I can't give you anything. Seriously, that's the first thing you tell them to just like walk by. You just walk by them and then say Merry Christmas like that. That fucking guy, he was asking, can you give us something? Could you donate today? No, I said Merry Christmas.
We got no money for donating.
That's what I said. I said no, Merry Christmas.
Okay, independent parking lot.
I was coming out of the independent, and there's this. I didn't notice her at first, but then when I did notice her, she was like a butchy chick, Ed. She was at the back of her truck. She was probably around my age group, right? Our age group. She looked
70s.
like 80s. If I'm
Watch, you almost knocked that over.
She was standing at the back of her truck, right, with her fucking skidoo fucking jacket on, okay? And she's standing with her arms crossed, and I didn't notice, but when I, like, you know, you're looking up, like, I'm looking all over, right, because there's this busy parking lot, right, and I noticed her, and she's fucking looked like she's staring at me like she wants to kick the living fucking shit out of me, okay? She had one of those fucking, you know, those, remember in the fucking,
She must have seen you on the YouTube.
Yeah, she looked. Remember how girls used to fucking wear their hair? Some still fucking do. The ones that are caught, like not caught, stuck in the 80s.
Girls that are caught.
The ones like it was all puffy up here, like you know, like the rock band fucking look back in the 80s, where their hair was all puffy.
Yeah.
Okay, it was like that. Okay, but she fucking like I was pushing the car, Ed, and her head was like watching me. I fucking started to speed up.
Donna has a fan.
Yeah. I never fucking got to the car so fast. Fucking I got in there and I didn't even fucking leave right away. I waited for a couple others to start leaving so there's people around.
I've noticed that here in Timmins, Ontario. Some people get obsessed with your channel and they don't even like you. They just come back every day to watch you and hate you. It's weird. I don't know why. I get the same comments from the same fucking dickweeds here in Timmins all the time. And I'm always asking, why are you still watching? And they never do give an answer. It's weird around here. If you don't like the channel, don't fucking watch it.
Yeah, you don't need to stare me down. Holy fuck.
Go make your own fucking channel. Okay, the next thing on here, the last thing on here on the notes was Bulk Barn.
Okay, so I went to the Bulk Barn to get some Christmas candy. And, when I went in there, because I parked in the middle row, it's so busy fucking out, okay?
So busy, oot.
So I parked in the middle row, right? And I walk up to the fucking, like, I walked like this, okay? And then I turned like this onto the sidewalk. And there was a car running, okay? And the guy must have been a heavy smoker, because that's all I can smell is dirty fucking smoke, right? When I walk by. Anyways, I'm in the fucking store getting fucking Christmas shit, right? Like the Christmas candies that I wanted to buy. And, so there's this fucking lady in there, and tell me a lady that has a beer belly that I know, that just tell me like the look of it, because I'm pretty sure she was like,
I don't know.
Like
My former stepmother.
Okay, well then this lady had this huge beer belly, like she looked like she could fucking drink a case no problem, okay? And you know those ones like they walk around like they're
all the women from Killarney, Ontario.
No. You know how they walk around like a man because they're so fucking tubby now and they're not that tall? You know what I'm talking about? Okay, well it was her, because so she was walking around, and obviously she was in there before I got there, okay? And she kind of, I don't know what the fuck she was doing, but she only had like fucking, I don't know, not very many things, okay? So as I'm walking out, right, I pass the car, right, and the guy's still sitting in the car, and I walk to our car, right. So I unlock it and I put the fucking bag in the back, right, and I'm getting ready to shut our door, the door of the car, and the guy gets out of the car, okay, I guess he waited just too long. Like, it was just too long of a fucking wait. Like, she was taking her time, right? So he slams the fucking door, right? And I was thinking, oh fuck, what's gonna go on here, right? So I opened up our car door, right? But I didn't get in. Like, I just kind of stood there. If I opened it up, because if I had to get in fast, right, then I could. She comes outside as he's like getting to the doors, and he starts fucking yelling at her about what the fuck was she doing in there, right? And of course, like, this lady with the beer, like, you know, she starts yelling back, hey, don't you fucking yell at me, I can fucking do what I want, okay? And the guy's like, get the fucking car, okay? And then he's, right on the back.
That's fucked.
Yeah. But as he was saying, like, get in the fucking car, he was walking back over to his side, okay? And he looked up, and there was me, right? So I just got into the car, right? I started it up, and I was like, I need to beat that guy out of here. Like, I need to get out of here before he... So I actually... That whole fucking thing over there, Ed, that's what took me a lot... I would say that was like at least a 6-minute fucking wait to get. There's so much traffic, right? And there's not enough time. There's not like there's the city fucked up when they put the lights in.
Donna went to the Bulk Barn and bought some candy for Christmas, you know, to have on the table with other things. And I figured, seeing that was the last thing on the notes, we might as well show you cocksuckers what we got for candy. Well, I don't even know what we got for candy. I wasn't there. I haven't looked yet. Well, one of my favorites, we got sour keys. Hopefully you can see them. Hopefully they're coming in. I think they are. So we got a bag of sour keys. What else you got here, Donna? Some Tootsie Rolls. Jelly beans. They look like those. Are they like Jelly Belly or something? They are? Oh yeah, I see. They say Jelly Belly on them. Jelly Belly jelly beans.
I got the good kind.
She got the good kind, not the fucking cheap kind. Hey? Fucking rats. What's this? Some licorice type candy. Just a mix of different shaped licorice things. Hopefully they're coming in. I don't know. Hey. What the fuck was that?
A burp, but I was coughing, so when I burped, it went through this little hole.
Fishes? Fishies? Sharks? Yeah. Fishes? What are these?
No, they're dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs. Some dinosaurs? They look like some kind of like chewy gummy candy, you know? Hopefully it fucking came in. There's not much to see there anyways, you know? Those gummy candies you can't really like... What else is going on here? Is that everything in the bag?
Yeah.
That's everything in the bag. Okay. We got these things here, gummy bears. And then there's this like cock-shaped thing. I don't know what the fuck that is.
It's for Charlie.
Remember,
what are the Sunshine Family?
The Sunshine Family! I said the Shine Family. Oh. It's Moonshine and Sunshine. Okay. Yeah, they said to get Charlie a bone.
But this is not... okay. Charlie can't have certain bones because he will not eat his food all day long because he chews at the bone for, like, the whole time. So this here is a turkey neck, and that's what I bought him.
So she picked up the turkey neck.
Mm-hmm. It gets... Well...
Sounds gross.
There was chicken feet with the fucking things, like the little claws still on them.
They would have been better to look at. Okay, so she got that thing. Oh yeah, and she got these things here. Hershey's Eggies. Donna wants to rot her teeth over the holidays.
Well,
Huh?
there's not much there, and I don't fucking like shopping when it's that busy.
She don't like shopping when it's that busy.
I just don't like it.
She doesn't like it. Fuck, Donnie spent over $250 million at the fucking candy store.
Well, like that was what was
What's Pow Mince Peppermint? There's nothing there that's peppermint. What did you pay for?
Where's that?
Right here, Power Mince Peppermint for $4.04.
The girl is real dumb that I went to.
Well, what she's charging you for shit you don't got though.
Okay, well, hang on. There's the turkey neck. That's right.
Okay.
Now we need to go through this. So there's the turkey neck, and then what was next?
The dinosaurs.
The dinosaurs.
That's these here.
Okay.
Okay. Then sour keys.
Those are here.
Okay. Mini Tootsie Rolls.
Here.
Jelly Belly.
Okay.
Fun Sorts Red. That'd
That's
be your
these.
licorice. So the fucking gummy bears are Power Mints Peppermint. That's $4.04 right there? Holy fuck! You better ask them about it next time you're in. They're probably not going to give a fuck anyways. They say, well, you should have came back. You fucked up, Donna.
No, the girl was, I'm not joking, she was
Anyways,
dumb.
it's not a big deal anyways. That
She
might be
was-
about $4. I mean, I don't know.
I don't think so. I never paid $4. The bag should be fuller. Look at well, look.
Well, see, maybe she fucking weighed that.
Like, look at all the sour keys I got for less.
Well, maybe she weighed this, but then typed in the expensive shit. Or something.
I don't know what fucking Power Mince Peppermint is.
Well, it's only $4. I mean, it's not the end of the world. But don't you hate that when you go and buy something and you're paying for something that's not on the list? Like, what if it was like fucking batteries or something, and you went to bring them back, and they said, okay, well, it doesn't say batteries on here, sir. It says fucking Bic lighters, so we can't take them back. You know what I mean? You know, it's kind of like that. You're kind of stuck with it now.
Well,
You got to become one of those people when you're on your way out of the store. Before you go out the door, you kind of like, you know, look everything over. Yeah.
What is Power Mince or Power something Peppermint?
Yeah. Well, you had $1.05 savings today, Donna.
Yeah.
Anyway, sorry about the boring video. Not much happened here today. Donna had a gig to get to, and then after that she ran around doing all her Christmas stuff. Well, not all of it, but a lot of it. And that's it. Our son Michael stopped by today.
I didn't see him.
No, Donna wasn't here. We bought some cheese from our granddaughter Haley. Her school is selling cheese curds. Well, they were selling cheese curds. Well, they finally came in, so he came and dropped them off today. We haven't tried them yet. Somebody's messaging me.
Mm-hmm.
What sound is that? Is that the text now?
Mm-hmm.
I'm waiting for something there. I'm actually waiting for some dough. That might be some dough, Donna. Probably not, but it might be. I bet you're itching to go and check, aren't you?
If you want me to.
She's sweating now.
I'm not.
Her arse crack is starting to sweat. So what else do you want to talk about, Donna? I know you got something else.
I don't understand. I was driving today on the road.
She was driving on the road.
And
As long as she wasn't on a fucking sidewalk, right?
I was driving on the road and
And there you are again, driving on the road.
okay, I was driving and we got stuck behind, like, the plow was
Who's we?
me and all the other fucking cars.
Oh, okay. Well, you made it sound like you were with somebody.
No, like we, as in like there a bunch, like the lineup was so bad. I didn't realize being stuck behind I wasn't right behind the plow. Thank fuck, because I don't know how fucking far away I'm supposed to be.
You don't know how far to be back from a plow?
I would be far back. People may be honking or maybe cut in front of me.
It should stay right on the back.
I know, but how the fuck? I don't know that in fucking...
I don't remember off the top of my head.
Isn't
Was
like
it
15 feet or something? No, it has to be like...
No, it probably says something meters.
5 meters would be 60.
No, it's probably more like 10 or 20 meters or something. Leave a comment down below if you know.
Well,
I
I
really
know,
don't know.
I know you have to be
I don't know because I don't give a fuck.
Well, no, I just don't... I know you have to be a good
I follow
distance.
it where I feel like it's good enough for me. That's usually like right on their ass.
So the plow is going, right? We're all stuck fucking on the road, right? Both lanes, right? Because the plow takes up both fucking lanes.
Both fucking lanes.
I didn't understand what was the point of the plow plowing if he wasn't fucking putting anything underneath, like on the...
No sand?
Yeah, like nothing. It was people were sliding all over the place because, you know, you have to come to a stop when the light, right, and you're so far back. And when you start to go...
Maybe you guys are falling so close he would have hit you with the sand.
So no, I was way back. I was far back from it. I could only see the fucking light and the blade.
I don't know. Maybe they're in cahoots with the insurance companies.
People are spinning their fucking trucks at the fucking no frills there, the parking lot there. You fucking dumb fuck. Oh, I hate
dumb
this.
Sons of bitches.
I hate this. I hate. What is today? The 22nd?
Big truck, little cock. What do you say now?
What is today? The 22nd? I don't like this day.
I don't know what date it is. Yeah, 22nd.
I'm really not a fan.
It is a shit day. It's a real shit day.
I went to fucking get the dog some cookies because I was going to wrap up a box for Christmas, right? Would you fucking believe they're sold out?
Well, there's lots of dogs around, Donna. I know the grocery store should be able to keep up, but I mean, fucking, you know. We are in Timmins, Ontario. Where nothing works proper.
He doesn't like the large ones because they're too big for him. The minis go too quick. He likes the ones with the gravy, but there was none.
Yeah, Shaw's likes the ones with the gravy. He likes cookies with gravy.
Yeah, it's like
He's a fucking pig like that. So I've been living with Donna so long. Everything has gravy on it.
No, it doesn't. Mm-mm.
So, anything else?
There was the bums were out this morning with their cups.
The bums were out with their cups.
At the basics and at there was the guy that holds the door open for everybody with his change cup. I don't have change.
We don't have change.
But I did say thank you and Merry Christmas. I did. I said thank you, Merry Christmas. And he said, yeah. No, he did.
Yeah. He wishes he could take back that. Oh, somebody's knocking. Somebody at the door, Donna. I know who it is. John, no? It's supper time. The jizz is here. Guaranteed. I'll bet you. I'll bet every fucking one of yous. Who is it, Donna? I was right. We're in the middle of a video right now. Huh?
I can't sit down.
Well, if you can't sit down, then fucking lay down somewhere. Anyway, what else, Donna? You got anything else?
I'm kind of hoping we don't get all that snow, but I think we are if they're giving all these statements. So we'll have some driveways to shovel.
What are you doing?
I plugged my phone.
Yeah, we might have to do some driveways tomorrow because, you know, well, we're going to have to regardless. It's already started to snow. I just don't think we're going to get as much as they say we're going to get.
I don't know, they say 30 centimeters or something like that by, because it's when it starts to snow, right? This is what they're saying. It's snowing like
in some places they say it's a once in a lifetime snowstorm.
That's down south, somewhere down south.
Well, that's what I said, some places. I didn't say fucking here.
No, I was saying that's down south. I was just saying, calm down. Don't get your panties on.
Anyway. Anything else? No. Okay, well this video is probably long enough for like fucking almost at 40 minutes.
Oh my, I thought it was a 1.
I'm gonna get in my road toke and Donna over here is gonna throw you cocksuckers some final words.
Stay happy, stay safe, be kind, enjoy your Thursday. Hopefully you'll have your stuff done. If you have to go out, we'll be safe out there, and that's it. Hey, you should tell them fucking quickly before we go. Just a quick fucking thing. Tell them how you seen the lady, what the lady did with her dog today when it was trying to attack the dogs in the.
Oh, the next door neighbor.
Yeah.
The next door neighbor lady with the pit bull, the new lady. She was outside this afternoon with her pit bull, and the pit bull was trying to get to the 2 little dogs that are attached to us over here. So like my yard's in between those 2 little dogs and the pit bull. Well, the pit bull was trying to get to those 2 little dogs, like it's growling, jumping at the fence, snarling. And the lady who lives there, she comes outside. I seen her. I was watching out this window here. She walked up to the dog, and she started petting the dog. And I was telling Dawn, I don't think that's a good idea to.
You're rewarding the dog.
Yeah, you're rewarding the dog for wanting to attack other dogs. That's not a good thing. There's gonna be some fucking bad things happening around here eventually. Like that dog's gonna grab something or someone.
Yeah. Yep.
Another animal or a human being. Or Donna.
Fuck that. Oh my god, I see videos on like online and stuff like that where somebody like, fuck, I don't want to, that the dog just keeps tugging, like it just doesn't let go of you.
No, the dog's not very big, but you know, like I'm a dude and I think that dog would fucking tear my arm right out. I don't think there's much I'd be able to do about it. I mean, unless I had a weapon. Without a weapon, what do? The fucking thing's gonna maul you.
Like I've seen people like actually try to open the pit bull's mouth, right? And they can't, like, but like.
Well, no, it's a
I don't want to get fucking bit by that dog.
It's a strong fucking dog.
I don't get bit by any dog, but not that one.
I don't want to get bit by any dog either. But definitely not that one. Anyway, I think that's all we got. Cigrit, hold it, everybody.
We are oot.
We are oot. Why are you dressed up like Santa Claus for?
It's my ugly sweater. 1 of 2.
1 of 2.
Hey, I was thinking, you're probably going to get a lot of dislikes on this video.
On this video?
Yeah.
Why am I gonna get dislikes?
Because you had candy.
Because I got candy? Well, you can't see the dislikes anymore anyway, so it doesn't fucking matter.
The candy and salad.
Huh?
Candy and salad. Oh, my back hurts.
Yeah, we got candy and salad. Some people might dislike that.
I'm starving.
People are gonna like that part, that Donna's starving. But they're not gonna like the part that she has the food to kill the starvation. What? Well, that's how it works. That's how our videos are. We'll talk about it another time. Later, bitches.